Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply Makeup. My name is V. This video is a requested video. It was requested by Bumsy B Beauty. She is on YouTube. Go check her out. She makes some beautiful, gorgeous looks. And when it comes to swatches, I don't think there is another. She is a good swatcher. So check her out. The makeup palette I'm using is called Plain in Makeup by Yolando, and it is the Artistry Vault by Melissa. It is no longer available, and Bumsy B Beauty know I have it, and she requested a look from it. So I'm going to pull this to do a look. This is the outside. It's all shimmery and sparkly. And the reason I bought this palette is the colors. Look at the colors. Lots of creasing. I have very hooded eyes, so I have creases going on here, so I will take care of this and then we'll apply the eyeshadow. See the crease that I have in the base right here? Because I have hooded eyes, so now I have to fix this so I don't have crease in the eyeshadow. Now it's smooth. Because my eyes are hooded, they are different shape and different size, so I try to go as close as possible to make them match. The look for today. It was requested by Bumsy B Beauty. She has a YouTube channel. Go check her out. These are the colors I have on. Today's encouraging word is by Isaac the Israeli. It says, solitude is the nurse of enthusiasm, and enthusiasm is the true parent of genius. Again, always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I, Simply Makeup, will see you in another video. Go out and be you. I hope you pull your palette out today and create something beautiful, because you are beautiful. Bye! See you soon in another video.